Hi guys, my name's Jade. You can follow me on Instagram, jade.douch. I am here today to talk to you about this little piece of wall that I've got. So I'm standing in my extension, which was added about 4 years ago. And this little piece of wall that looks like a fireplace is in fact a faux fireplace because it's the last piece of wall that holds up the back of my house. Ideally, I would have liked to have had that removed, but my budget wouldn't go that far, wouldn't stretch. So yes, that's holding up the back of my house. And it was boxed out to hide the waste pipe from the bathroom, which was obviously originally outside. So last minute, it was plastered, it was dry lined, and then I was waiting for it to be plastered, and I had the idea of creating a little faux fireplace with this lovely little beam that I had hanging around in the garden. So obviously I'd love a log burner in there, but there's lots of issues with having a log burner there. For instance, there isn't a chimney, so it would be hugely expensive and it just wouldn't work. And then one of my friends on Instagram pointed me in the direction of ImaginFires and their bioethanol fires. So I've actually got one today, and I'm gonna put it in place for you because it requires no installation apart from plonking it down basically and putting in the fuel, and it doesn't require any kind of ventilation, any kind of chimney. So stay tuned, I'm going to pop it in place and get it lit for you.